Do you want to install a floodlight that is powered by solar panel? I'm going to teach you step by step how to do that. In this video, before we start with the practice, I'm going to tell you something. For instance, in this example, we have the customer in the front of his house. He's getting sunlight all the time, but in the back, never. So in this case, you have two type of floodlights. So you have the one that is one unit, as you can see here. It's just one unit. On the top, you're going to have the solar panel. On the bottom, you're going to have the light with the motion sensor. And then you have the second option that will be kind of the same thing. You're going to have the lights, the motion sensor, and another light here. And you're going to get the solar panel with a cable. So in this case, this is what I'm going to do in this video that you're going to see. Is I installed in the front the solar panel, and with a cable. It wasn't long enough, so I had to use some speaker wire. It will work. Just make sure that you use the positive with negative, and that's it. And then in the back, I put the floodlight. That is where the customer wanted, and that is easy, and it worked just fine. It's very easy. You just put a few screws on the first solar panel in the front, or whatever you want to install them. And the other thing, where you're going to install the light, you do the same thing, and that's it. Very easy. In half an hour or maybe less, everything should be done. So now let's start with the practice. All right, as you can see, we're going to install it over there. So I'm going to stop the camera. So the way we are going to install it there, the solar panel, the little one, and the big one, we're going to install it in the other side. They want the light in the other side, but here is the only place where they have sunlight. So let's use the drill, make a hole, put the anchor over here, as you can see, and that's it. Very easy. Hole, make sure that it's the same size, and then with a screwdriver, you can put it here, and that's it. Middle, let's do the hole here. Easy peasy. Now we use this. Let's see if it fits. It's a little bit smaller than expected. Let's make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Perfect. We're going to move this out of the way. Now we are going to take a measurement, see how it goes. So we have 1.5 inches. So we can make a mark, 1.5 inches. Okay, everything great. Now we have the extra screw. We're going to put this like that. So we're going to make the hole like that, and everything should be good. So now so as you can see, you can level it or move it on the side or the other. We have the cable. We're going to run the cable like that, put it on the side like this, and then we can run the rest through the other side. As you can see, this is short, very short, so it's not going to reach the other end. So I will have to cut it, the extension, and put it in the other side. The screws, let's grab these. Okay, now we're going to set it on 5 seconds. That should be good. We plug this in there, and that's it. So basically, all we have to do is just put this in, and that should do the trick. As you can see, I think this height should be good enough because they are going to put a shed here. That will be for another video. Then if I make a mark here and then another one over there, that should be good. All we can do is just kind of here so that way we don't break the concrete, the brick here and not over there. It should be good. So we're going to make it. We make it a little bit wider to make sure that it's going to fit just fine, because the drill bit is smaller than expected. I have to make it a little bit wider. Alright. We should be good here. Alright, perfect. One screw is more than enough, but we're going to put the second one because we're here. Doesn't cost that much, just one more minute. We should be great with this, so now you can do this. Done. Now we have to put the other cable over there. That's it. We cut one cable at a time to avoid any short circuit. Cut the other one, done. As you can see, white with white, or with the strip line, one is positive, the other is negative. Alright, let's give it a test. This is on. Yeah, funciona. Okay, it works. So let's leave it on maybe 5 seconds, something like that. And there should be good. So as soon as it gets dark, everything should be good. It should turn by itself.